Hi guys, it's me Hemnata Yadav. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the latest update. So today's video is all about the street style stock. It's an Instagram store. I recently got to know about this brand. This brand has very affordable clothing item and footwear. So I recently purchased 3 items for myself and these are the clothing items. So I want to share my review with you guys कि आप लोगों को भी पता लगे कि ये ब्रांड कैसा है and if you guys will like it so you guys can shop. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So I placed my order on 23rd April 2021 and I received my order on 5th May 2021 and I think it's not quite delayed. It's okay for the delivery. So let's move on to the packaging. On their website there was an offer going on. If you'll purchase 3 items together, so you'll get some discount. So I purchased 3 clothing items from their website and it cost me 1100 approx. It was 1098, so yeah, 1098 and I think it's quite okay. This is how they pack your order. I got 3 items in this packet only. Let me show you one by one what all I received and I am opening this packages in front of you only because इससे पहले मैंने इसको open भी नहीं किया था. So now let me show you the first item. So this is the packaging will look. So they're gonna send you your orders like this. And so first I ordered double up the check top and this is how it looks like and this is the front and this is the back. So for the fabric it says 100% cotton and but I don't think so it's 100% cotton. But for the summer the fabric is totally okay. It's not quite thin and thick. So it's a sleeveless top. It's a chic top. You guys can wear it for the parties and for the event. I personally purchased it for the events, but as you guys know lockdown is going on, so I also can't wear for the events. So yeah. Let me tell you guys that I usually fit into extra small or small, but this top I don't know, I ordered for the medium one because all the 3 tops are medium and I usually don't fit for the medium. I ordered it for the small one, so I really didn't like it and the biggest mistake I made is कि ये order मैंने 7 days से ज़्यादा हो गए थे जो मैंने open ही नहीं किया था and मैंने ये 2 दिन पहले ही order open किया है. मैंने ये tops try किए and I really didn't like the fit because it is in medium size and I usually fit into extra small or small and I ordered from their website for the small, but I don't know what is the issue and I mailed them like I want these top in smaller size because I am having the size issues. They told me that they have their 7 days policy of replacement or refund and this is the biggest mistake I made कि ये order मैंने पहले नहीं खोला. So I don't know कि मैं इन tops का क्या करने वाली हूँ. The price is 499 but I got it for 333 and for me I think it's useless because I'm not fitting into the size and yeah, I think मुझे ये थोड़ा सा fit कराना पड़ेगा so I can fit into this top. So yes. So now move on to the second item, which is red knot one sleeve Uric top. The top price is 499 and I got it for 333. Packaging is like this. And this is how it looks like. So this is the front and this is the back and it's a crop top and I don't think so ये यहाँ okay. So ये यहाँ पे टैग है, मुझे लगा पता नहीं इन्होंने नीचे भी तो नहीं अपना ब्रांड टैग लगा दिया. I think it's red wine colors. सो इट्स अ क्रॉप टॉप विच कम्स विद अ बैंड, जो आप टाई करके साइड में बांध सकते हो, जैसा कि ये पिक्चर में दिखा रखा है. सो लेट मी शो यू ये कैसा लगता है. इस टॉप में भी थोड़ी गड़बड़ है बिकॉज साइज इशू था, तो मुझे भी इस टॉप में थोड़ा लाइक फिटिंग में गड़बड़ हुआ है बिकॉज इट इज ऑल्सो इन द मीडियम साइज विच आई रियली डिडंट लाइक इट. टॉप वो भी अच्छा है और ये भी अच्छा है, बट द मेन इशू इज द साइज इशू. पर मैं कुछ तो कर ही लूंगी क्योंकि मैं इसमें ऐसे फिटिंग करा लूंगी कुछ साइड से, सो इट विल गोना फिट मी फॉर श्योर. फैब्रिक इट्स क्वाइट गुड, बट समर में थोड़ा सा आपको गर्मी लग सकती है, बट इतना भी ज़्यादा मोटा नहीं है, सो यू कैन वियर इट इन समर्स. And as they say, so it's 95% polyester and 5% spandex. It's sleeveless, it's a crop top, so yeah. So now move on to the third clothing item, which is also a top. So this is a pretty yellow puffy top in yellow color. It's a bright yellow and मुझे इसी टॉप से वैसे उम्मीद है कि ये थोड़ा अच्छा लगने वाला है मुझ पर. Obviously it's medium. Yeah, let me check. Oh, it's small in size. तो ये पागल है क्या, इन्होंने एक स्मॉल भेज दिया और वो दो मीडियम. Look guys, it's small in size and these two are in medium. Let me show you. Sorry, medium. बहुत बड़ा ही साइज इशू है. सो इट्स स्मॉल इन साइज, और जैसा कि इन लोगों ने दिखा रखा था ना पिक्चर के अंदर कि ये पफी स्लीव्स हैं, ये वो, आई डोंट थिंक सो कि ये ऐसा कुछ लगने वाला है. बट हाँ, अगर मैं इसको टक करके थोड़ा पहनूंगी सो थोड़ा सा इसमें लुक आ सकता है. So the price of this top is 499 and I got it for 333, just like the previous ones. And about the fabric of this top is quite thin and you can wear in summers and but ये थोड़ा सा light है, so आपको इस top के नीचे कुछ wear करना पड़ेगा. So yeah, because the top is totally fine and the fabric is also good. I think this is the top which is perfect fit for me because it was in small size. So yeah, this is how the puffy sleeves looks like and yeah, I really love it. Actually I wore the inner underneath of this top, so because it was transy, so yeah, but I really love it how it looks and the color is so pretty. It's a bright yellow. Really happy, as you guys can see on my face, like this top as it's bright yellow and I really like bright colors. So yeah, this is how it looks like. वेबसाइट से प्लीज ऑर्डर करते हैं गाइस, सो मेक श्योर अबाउट योर फिट्स. सो माई पर्सनल रिव्यू अबाउट दीज टॉप इज the tops are good, the quality is good, but I personally face the size issue which is totally not good. क्योंकि अगर आपको साइज ही नहीं आएगा सो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि आप दोबारा उस वेबसाइट से ऑर्डर करो. अगर आप लोग इस साइट से ऑर्डर करते हो सो मेक श्योर कि आप साइज चार्ट को देखकर प्लीज उसको ऑर्डर करें. साइज गाइड उन्होंने दे रखा है, बस मैंने तो स्मॉल ऑर्डर कर रहा था बट दे सेंड मी मीडियम साइज टॉप्स. अगर आप इस ब्रांड से शॉप करते हैं सो मेक श्योर कि आफ्टर रिसीविंग द पार्सल सो आप उस पार्सल को उसी दिन ओपन कर लें बिकॉज यू विल गेट टू नो अबाउट द साइजेस. सो आप 7 डेज के अंदर उसको रिटर्न और रिफंड के लिए भेज सकते हैं, जैसा कि मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है. पैट ऑन माई बैक. So personally I like the quality of the tops and the designs are pretty good, so you guys can go for this. but हाँ, थोड़ा size का थोड़ा issue है, so वो आप लोग देख लेना. 1100 में ये 3 tops are quite affordable and quite trendy and stylish yet. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, so do follow me on Instagram. I usually post daily there about lifestyle, luxury, travel, and many more lifestyle things. So yeah, do follow me there. Yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your little support will mean a lot to me, so please guys support me. And yeah, thank you for watching.